Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the essentials, your device serial number and the Apple ID that's tied to it. Once done, make sure you have proof of purchase handy in case support asks for verification. This speeds things up. Now, open Settings on iPhone or iPad or System Settings on Mac and locate About to copy the serial. You're preparing so the next step, checking coverage, won't stall. This is the fastest route to a clear answer. You now use Apple's coverage lookup to see Applecare status. Enter the serial and complete the CAPTCHA, because Apple verifies ownership for accurate results. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID to reveal registered devices and any active plans. This explains why the site sometimes shows more detail when you're signed in. Read the dates and service options carefully, since Apple displays eligibility and expiration. These figures determine whether you can buy Applecare or need repair services instead. Finish by using alternate paths if the web check fails. Open Settings and tap Coverage if available, or sign into Apple Support app to view plans. If that still yields no result, call Apple Support and provide the serial and proof of purchase. This is where a receipt clarifies disputed dates. Troubleshooting tip: if coverage is missing, make sure your purchase date, device region, or prior repairs aren't disqualifying factors. Correcting
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.